Hey kernels, here's another video on how to log into EKU Direct. So first, go to eku.edu and click right here where it says EKU Direct. Then you're going to click Current Students, Faculty, and Staff, and it's going to bring you to this login page. My information is blurred out for privacy concerns. So after you get that typed in, it's going to ask for your password, so you go ahead and put that in. And in some cases, it's going to ask you for this in order to verify that it's you. This is called TwoFactor Authentication. It's going to send a text to your phone number, and then you're going to put in the code like I do here. And then that's it. I'm going to click yes on Stay Signed In because I'm on my own personal computer. And that's it. You're into EKU Direct. Remember, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always get a hold of us at the info here.